Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It, and this is my review of the Asics x size Gel Lyte OG 36 views. So let's start with what you get in the box with these. No laces, which is unfortunate, but you get a few other bits which are pretty cool. So with this pair in the box you get a pretty cool hang tag, and you also get this, which I have not opened yet, which I'll open now. So you get this cool little leaflet explaining a bit more about the shoe, with some snapshots and the art pieces it's inspired by. And you get this little cardboard piece as well, which is a limited print just for this pair. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's have a better look at the shoe. With this Gel Lyte, they've added 2 pull tabs this time, which is not the norm for a Gel Lyte. So we got one on the tongue and we got one on the heel, which is pretty good. The upper is all waterproof suede, and the material on the toe box here is ripstop, cherry blossom, baby pink laces that pop in the trainer, and on the outside we've got the blue suede tiger stripes, and on the inside we've got the pink suede stripes. And then on the outside we've got this pink accent on the midsole, and on the inside we've got the contrasting blue one. On the back we have speckles, and then on the heel counter also has that pink cherry blossom colour, and on the outsole as well. So detail wise, it's probably one of the best colourways I've seen on a Gel Lyte, and the waterproofing on this is amazing. Since it's been snowing here for a few days, I've worn these out 2-3 times now, and as you can see they look like they haven't been worn. There's no water getting through that at all. So these were limited to only 500 pairs worldwide, and by my knowledge I think they've all sold out in store and online as far as I'm aware. If you are going to buy these, I'd say go true to size. They fit similar to the Gel Lyte 3s or the just original OG retros that came out last year, so they fit the same basically. I can say that these are possibly one of the best shoes to come out of size for a good 2 to 3 years. So they retailed at, I think it was £90, which is fair for the materials you're getting on the shoe. I'd say £90 is a pretty good price. It's a bit of a steal, to be honest with you. So pick these up on release day from my local size, and they had, I think, a handful of pairs, maybe 6-7 pairs, and they did have, I think there were 2 size 8s, and I grabbed one of them. They couldn't have done a better job on the shoe. There's nothing out of place. The quality is spot on. If this decides to focus. Overall, it's a pretty sick pair by size and Asics, and I think I'm going to be wearing these quite a bit, especially when it's raining. So that's the Asics x size 36 views. I'll be doing an on foot video after this, show you guys what they look like on foot. Let me know in the comments below Would you rock these? Would you stock these? Subscribe if you like the content, and suggest any pairs you'd like me to review next. And that's about it from me. See you in the next one.
When I don't find the words to say, the thoughts I long to bring to you.